What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. Check everybody out. Check out Bubbles. His head is getting huge. He's getting bigger too. Check out his tail fins. Those are starting to grow back. When I first got him, they were longer than his body. And then, he got attacked by the Giardini and a lot of things happened. So, starting to heal up. They're starting to grow back to their original length. So he's looking nice. Check out King Titan right there. He's absolutely perfect. His appetite has gotten better. I'm giving him frozen krill now. He's putting on good size. He's putting on some real good size. Here you go to blood parrots. Check out these guys. There's a little clown loach right there. He knows I'm going to feed them, so he's just waiting to eat. There's 7 more of them down here, a little bit bigger in size. See there, they go running around. But I just want to show you guys something. These guys have a few of them. See that? That's what you call gill curl. See that white stuff around his gill plate? That's gill curl. A couple of them have it. I really don't know why, but it is caused from bad water quality, and 99% of the time my water quality is perfect. I keep it very clean, always doing water changes. But I gotta tell you the truth, last week I did skip a couple of days, and I was feeding them a lot, and I'm guessing that's when it happened. So I'm keeping an eye on it. And if it progresses, if it gets worse, I've heard of ways of taking them out and cutting it off. I'll have to do that, but for now it's not a big deal. Like I said, I will keep a close eye on it. Let's take a look at the clown loaches real quick. Those guys are crazy. Bubbles has been perfect. I mean, his aggression level is down to nothing. I mean, everybody gets along great in this fish tank. No problems whatsoever. As you could see. I'll back up real quick. Get a full view of the 220. There it is, right there. It's a nice yawn from Titan. Look at this guy. He's just a beast. Look at him. He's gonna be huge very soon. Look at him on top of the water. Look at this meathead. Alright, so let's feed these guys. I got them some frozen bloodworms and frozen krill. See, Titan loves his frozen krill. He's super fast too. Super fast. Check him out. Beast. So since they have the gill curl, you know, early stages of it, just a couple of them, like I said, I'm only feeding them once a day. So I'm going to feed them now, and they're not going to be fed until tomorrow morning. I'll do a water change after this, and that's how we're going to keep it for a little while. There you go, buddy. And that's all I'll feed them for now. And me not feeding them so much will keep their, you know, waist down, because when I was feeding them as much as I was 3 times a day, every morning I would come home, there would be a massive amount of fish waste in each corner of the tank. I mean, it was a lot. So it was definitely too much. So once a day for now, no big deal. And it'll keep them more healthy. You know, the water quality will be better. So there you have it. That's the new update of the 220. We got Bubbles, Red Dragon Flower Horn, doing beautiful. 0 aggression problems. We got the Ingot Blood Parrots. They're doing great. We got the Clown Loaches. I'm going to get more of those guys too. They're doing well. And King Titan, last but not least, King Titan. This is his fish tank. It was Bubbles, but I have to say right now, King Titan took over. He is getting bigger, and definitely his tank. Definitely the most dominant fish right now. So guys, that's the update. Hope you guys like what I'm doing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that little bell on the side so you get instant updates. And yeah, just stay tuned for more videos. Titan's gonna get huge. We're gonna have exciting fish feeding videos. I'm gonna be giving him crayfish, worms, everything. You know, all types of stuff as he gets bigger. So it's gonna be exciting. Stay tuned. Watch his progression as he grows bigger and bigger. Later. Check this guy out. Check out Bubbles. Bubbles is awesome. His head is gonna be like a golf. It's probably like a golf ball now, but it's probably gonna be like a baseball in a few months. It is getting huge. And like I said, he is such a cool fish. People say it couldn't be done, putting a flower horn with these guys, and this goes to show every fish has its own attitude, its own, personality. And just as I say that, he nips them. But no, there's never a problem. There's no issues. No issues with him. None whatsoever. Very cool fish. So like I said, thanks guys. Later. Yo, Sheldon. You're going to get one of these guys. Shout out to my boy Sheldon. We just got off work. But one of these guys right here, probably next week when they're doing a little better. Cool. Alright. Later.